Hey girls, just before I go through this, I made a mistake. It's meant to be exercise 8F, not 5F. So I wrote 5F before. Ignore it, it's meant to be 8F, okay? Just to clarify the confusion. Alright girls, so we're going to go through the second part of the exercise, slightly harder, but basically the same idea. So we have to factorize this. Now, like I've told you before, you want to make sure you want to check if there are common factors amongst these three numbers. In this case, there is. -4 goes into these three numbers. So I'm going to put -4 outside of the bracket. So -4 times 2x squared gives me the first term. -4 times plus 1x, or just x, gives me the second term. And -4 times -6 gives me plus 24. Once I've done that, as you can see inside the bracket, we can continue factorizing that. So if I want to just factorize the bracket, just using the cross method, I can see I need to put 3 there, 2 there. Nope, I am incorrect. Let's put the 3 on top, 2 there, and put the minus on the top. -3 times 2 is -6. 4x minus 3x is plus 1x. Okay, good. So let's write this down. So we've got -4, and write these two as a bracket. 2x minus 3, x plus 2 equals to 0. And you do the same thing. In this case, we're running out of pen, ink. It's my red pen. Yeah. In this case, 2x minus 3 equals 0. That's what we're solving. So we got then x equals 2. Just skipping a few steps, 3/2. Same thing here. X plus 2 equals to 0. So like I said, just need to take the opposite sign of plus 2, which is -2. So these two are your solutions to this quadratic equation. Let's do the same thing with this one. It just looks harder, but it's not. It's just a bit more work by expanding everything out. So expand everything out. So that's 3x squared. 3 times 6 is plus 18x equals 4x minus 8. And then the step that I said in the earlier video is to bring everything to one side and make it equal to 0. So let's just leave this one as it is, and this one where it is. But bring these two to the other side. So if I bring this plus 4x to the other side, it becomes -4x. Bring that -8 to the other side, it becomes plus 8, or equal to 0. Simplify that now. 3x squared. This is plus 14x plus 8 equals to 0. Now we're ready to factorize and just solve for x. So if I use the cross method to factorize this, in this case, I can, okay, that's pretty easy. 4 and 2, 12 plus 2 is 14, that's good. So I've got 3x plus 2, x plus 4 equals to 0. So solving this is x equals 2, just quickly, -2/3, and here, x equals 2, -4. So those two are your solutions to this equation. Alright, let's go through this one last example. When you've got a fraction like this, you want to multiply the denominator to the other side so we don't have any fractions, which leaves the top by itself, like this, equals to 5x times x is 5x squared. And it's the same situation as what I've had before. You want to bring everything to one side. In this case, I'm going to leave that there, bring these two terms to the other side. So 0 equals 5x squared. Bring this plus 6x to the other side, becomes -6x. Bring that plus 8 to the other side, becomes -8. And it's the same scenario. Let's factorize that just quickly. It's 5x and x. In this case, what do we have? God, let's put 4 and 2 there. And the minus goes on the 2. -10x plus 4 is -6. Good. So we've got 5x plus 4. X minus 2 equals 0. And it's the same thing. Here, x is equal to -4/5. And here, x is equal to 2. Okay? So that's basically what you need to do for the later part of the exercise in 8F, not 5F. Alright, thanks girls. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, just ask me on Google Classroom.